Guys, we got a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria one-owner car. Look at this thing. It is absolutely beautiful. Him and his grandson are building it. They're going to put a supercharger in it and everything else. It's going to be crazy that we're pulling in this truck. What we got done on this beautiful beast. High flow cats there and there. Secondaries there. Main ones we left alone for now. He might change them once he puts the headers on it. Then he brought his own Borla kit right there. Part number 140360. Full cat back system with an H-pipe, as you guys can see there. 2 Borla mufflers, there and there. Rear axle on each side there. And then we installed tips for hangers, because it didn't come with hangers, which was kind of weird on the passenger side. There and there. I guess it was just made for already dualed out one, not single. So we did the conversion. So remember, guys, if you're going to order this kit, make sure you take it to a muffler shop for them to install it. If your exhaust is only single, because they will need to add solid mount hangers like we did there and then one over there. Okay? Because it will only come with hangers on one side. But there she is. She's all done. Clean, beautiful. There's the Y pipe assembly into the muffler. And there's that one single tailpipe that was on it right there. We took all that off and dualed it up. All right, guys, 2008 Ford Crown Vic Police Edition, all the way from Virginia, guys, 10 hours away. We really appreciate our fans coming down and taking care of their stuff. You guys don't know, we always give good big discounts when people drive this much for us. So we really do appreciate him coming down. And he's a veteran too. We really appreciate his service. Anyways, 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then he had a custom H-pipe installed right there, bolt on. Then what we installed is 2 Carven TR performance mufflers right there. There's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. 2 of them. Then the tailpipes continue 2-inch on each side, there and there. The design on these tailpipes is crazy. Look, goes all the way up. Over, and then this way, and then all the way. You got to get a mandrel bender to get those bent. Like muffler shops will have to bend them in 2 pieces. But we always get them just pre-bent and put them on. And then you got 2 tips to complete the look right there and right there. Came out really clean, really nice. 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Executive Edition. I don't know. I just came up with that. But it's cool. I like the color of it. It's different. So, as you know, if you guys know Crown Vics, they got 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes usually a single. I'll show you guys over there in the scrap pile. But what we did is we cut that off and ran true duals all the way back. And we ran it 2-inch in the middle, 2-inch tailpipes, as you guys can see. And then we ran 2 1/4 out the back. On each side, there and there. And then we put 3.5 by 18 rolled edge tips to give it the Marauder look. As you guys can see, there and there. It's a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Now it looks like a Marauder. It's got the Marauder exhaust on it. A lot nicer, a lot sexier. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Sound decibels? Right at 90. Crown Vic. Borla Touring Edition. Dual exhaust. Like old school wheels. It looks good. Nice 4 Crown Vic. Here we go. That's a nice new coat. Carven TRs. Rev it gently. And these will break in about 30 days, get a little bit louder. That's deep. like that flow. If you want it louder, get rid of the H pipe. That's later on down the road if you want. Go ahead, sound decibels. So right at 97. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Nice thing at idle, it's quiet. You can sneak up on people. Nothing crazy. You wanted a clean toe? That's what we got for them. Yeah, I love the police interceptors. Back it up. Much nicer. You see the tips on it. Came out really nice, really clean. I like it. Customer, he's not here. He's gonna come pick it up. That sounds so nice. Crown Vic all the way from Dixon, Tennessee, about 2 hours away. We appreciate him bringing it in. It's got a full Borla kit. It stopped raining enough just to do the video. Good. Here we go. That sounds really clean. This Carven TR. Oh, that sounds good. Enjoy, guys. Holy crap, Vic. Sexy. True duels. True dual, straight pipe, 2-inch mid, 2 1/4 rear, 3.5-inch tips.